Hi! Hello po ulit mga kababayan. So ako po si Mia Gonzalez, isang millennial OFW, and I am currently working here in Canada as a caregiver. So right now, after that first video blog that I did about caregiving, marami pa ding nagtatanong regarding kung how to start as a first timer, how to apply, mga ganong tanungan. So, right now, I will address those questions through this video and hopefully, maintindihan niyo or you'll get the answer that you are personally after. So, here it is. Alright, so before I start again to talk about this, how to start or how to apply, I'd like to clarify once again that I don't represent any agencies, or I'm not working as immigration consultant. So I'm just doing this video to share what I know and hopefully makakatulong po to sa inyo. And so here we go. How to apply, how to start. So I already mentioned the 4 major requirements in order to be eligible as a caregiver here in Canada. So yun po yung first step in applying here in Canada. So, ulitin natin. I will make it simpler. So, una, you have to get a genuine or valid job offer. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong makahanap ng employer. You can either ask a relative na nandito sa Canada kung meron silang kilalang employer na naghahanap ng caregiver, or kung sila mismo meron silang anak, you can seek for their help, or if they want to. Kasi maraming nagsasabi na there are relatives that are unwilling to help, and yeah, I've met some friends na ganun din yung cases, so wala tayong magagawa doon. Another way to get an employer is to check out online job posting sites like caregivers.ca. And also, I made an ebook and naglagay ako doon ng mga job posting sites wherein you can look for an employer. Just watch out for that ebook. I'll be posting it on my personal Facebook page, Mia Gonzalez. So, yeah. Wait until I launch my personal website. Another way to get an employer is through a placement agency or recruitment agency. Kung may pera ka naman, so you can get a recruitment agency to look for an employer for you, pero yun nga lang mahal. So second requirement is for you to prove that you have the English proficiency. So you can take an examination through CELPIP or IELTS. So you need to get an overall band score of 5 in the 4 language areas: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And then third requirement is the education credential assessment. Kailangan kasi dito you have to get a 1-year post-secondary education. So you can get an assessment through West Canada, CES Toronto, BCITI CES, ICAS, 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 IQAS. These are the organizations that are assessing credentials, and I'll be discussing it separately through another blog. So, dito tayo sa fourth requirement, ability to do the job. Ibig sabihin ng ability to do the job, you must provide an evidence that you can perform the duties and responsibilities of a caregiver here in Canada. So how can you provide an evidence? You need to have a caregiving certificate. If you are not a nurse in the Philippines, you can get a training certificate from TESDA or any accredited training centers ng TESDA sa Pilipinas. You need to get the caregiving NC2. And it is for 6 months of training and 2 weeks of on-the-job training. So, yan. Another one to prove your ability to do the job is to provide an experience, 1 year paid experience of caregiving. It's either sa hospital or private employer sa Pilipinas. You can do that. So, that's it. That's the first step in applying here in Canada. You have to make sure that you are eligible by getting these 4 major requirements done. Hopefully, this is helpful to you, and kung may mga questions pa, just put them on the comment section below, then I'll try to answer them. And also, I have created a Facebook group called Pinoy Caregivers Community. You can join us in that group, then you can post your questions and we'll try to answer your queries in there. That's it. Bye.